CHASIV YAR is the next target for the Russian army in the Eastern Front, but Ukrainians are well prepared here, and we can see here how defenders repulsed a Russian assault on the settlement. 3 units of armored vehicles and 2 assault groups of Russians were destroyed. The video is from the soldiers of the 225th Separate Assault Battalion. Russians managed to break through and gain a foothold in a certain part of Ocheretine, Donetsk region, said Kortitsia, Operational Strategic Group representative. According to him, the Ukrainian forces are taking measures to kick the enemy out from Ocheretine. Heavy fighting is underway. The Russian Federation has deployed 4 brigades there. Ukrainian troops have also pulled up additional means and forces from the reserve.
Що вам відомо про ситуацію в Очеретиному Донецької області?
Наразі я вам скажу найсвіжішу інформацію. Так, дійсно, ворогу вдалося прорватися і закріпитися в певній частині цього населеного пункту. Наразі частина, в якій знаходиться противник, перебуває під нашим вогневим контролем. Вживаються всі заходи, щоб вибити ворога звідти, тривають бої важкі. Ситуація контролюється підрозділами сил оборони. Слід також наголосити, що для того, щоб розвинути цей тактичний успіх в районі Очеретиного, для подальшого прориву нашої оборони, ворог задіяв на цьому напрямку 4 бригади Збройних сил Російської Федерації. З нашого ж боку вживаються всі заходи для стабілізації обстановки на Авдіївському напрямку та повернення контролю над Очеретиним. З цією метою також введено додаткові сили та засоби з резерву.
But there are also Ukrainian successes. The Ukrainian army was able to recapture lost territory at Ivanovsky and Klishchivka, and the army was able to advance somewhat east of Terny. So there are not only Russian advances for the good vibrations. We have reported how Ukraine is using old Yak-52 planes to shot down Russian drones. Here is a video of a Ukrainian Yak-52 pilots who shot down a Russian reconnaissance UAV Orlan-10 drone. The only Western tank captured during the war was brought to Moscow. As for the rest, old trophies, T-64BV, T-72 AMT, and others from 2022. The rest is infantry fighting vehicles, armored personnel carriers, and wheeled vehicles.
Чуть-чуть от себя отпускаем. Грузоподъемность 74, 73. 72 грузоподъемность. Я стрелку майную, и у меня грузоподъемность. О, покачала. Ой-ой-ой-ой-ой, тихо. Все, разворачивай, что?
Footage of a Russian collection point for destroyed and damaged military equipment in Russian-occupied Donetsk Oblast. Among the Russian losses, a previously undocumented Ukrainian 53rd Separate Mechanized Brigade BMP-1P loss can be seen. In Moscow, depositors of the crypto exchange Berabit were given chocolates instead of money. Approximately $4.3 million of investors' funds are frozen in the accounts of the crypto exchange. Customers have been storming the office for the second day, demanding their money back. Management has responded with only promises and chocolates. Right behind this wall, under this flag, sit the very murderers, the reason for the war in Ukraine. A video with these words was published in the fall of 2023 on Instagram by an instructor from Karachay-Cherkessia, Taulan Kipkayev. A criminal case was initiated against him under the article on military fakes motivated by hatred or hostility. He wrote, "I took the beginning of the war very hard. I immediately started to make publications and talk about this injustice, but I was silenced with threats. But now, enough is enough. I am tired of living in fear and anxiety. I want to talk about my thoughts and feelings." Taulan worked as an instructor in mountaineering and alpine skiing and organized treks in the Caucasus Mountains. In March 2021, Kipkayev nearly lost his eyesight and frostbitten hands while rescuing hikers during a storm on Mount Elbrus. It is unknown where Kipkayev is now, according to the Russian media. A criminal case against him was opened on April 25th.
Здесь, прямо за этой стеной, вот, под этим флагом, заседают те самые убийцы, из-за которых сейчас идет война в Украине. И вот так все эти люди гуляют, отдыхают, а кто-то остался без жилья, без крова, кого-то убили. У кого-то убили родителей, у кого-то детей. И это все по вине людей, которые сидят вот там, прямо за этой стенкой. И ждут суда справедливого, потому что все они понесут наказание. Владимир Путин и все, кто поддерживает его. Поэтому готовьтесь, ребята. Вас ждет кара Господня и суда.
The objective of Larine is the rapid and collaborative development of a remotely controlled ammunition capable of neutralizing a hardened target within a radius of 50 kilometers, says the French Ministry of Defense. In February, they said that Ukraine will be among the first beneficiaries of kamikaze drones in the coming weeks. This will also be an opportunity to test this new generation of equipment in combat. 2,000 Calibri loitering munitions have been ordered for 2024 and 2025 for France and Ukraine. A tranche of 100 prototypes will be delivered to Kiev this summer. In any case, France knows where it can also test the Larine kamikaze drones. We know the Russians are irrational, but they still manage to surprise us from time to time. Just an ordinary day in Moscow, after today's rain, a savior came out onto the streets. However, nobody knows what will happen when it's finished.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.